In this video, we'll be going over how to install the X7454S EcoHitch for your Ford Maverick. After securing your vehicle to prevent rolling, remove all the bolts holding the plastic panel in place. You will also need to remove the exhaust hanger screws. Applying WD-40 may help with removal. Remove the two lower factory bumper bolts on each side of the vehicle. Do not discard the bolts as they will be reused during installation. Using a reciprocating body saw or other method, trim a knockout panel with the dimensions shown in the instruction booklet. Next, insert the half-inch hardware using a bolt fissure in the hole shown and back out the same hole. Then, guide the receiver through the cutout knockout panel and loosely reinstall the factory bumper bolts into their original locations. Feed the bolt fissure wires through the holes in the plates and then remove the fissure. Secure the bolts with the rest of the half-inch hardware. Next, thread the 3/8 hardware through the driver's side plate as shown, leaving it loose as to be able to angle the bolt downward. Place the 3/8 hardware and insulator onto the bolt. Reinstall the exhaust onto the insulator. Using the dimensions shown in the instructions, the passenger side plastic panel needs to be trimmed before reinstallation. Reinstall the panel with all the bolts and clips as shown earlier. After that is finished, your Maverick hitch is ready for you to use.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.